As a key player in the automotive industry, our mission is to bring hope for the future of our planet, society, and all people. At the core of our mission lies the commitment to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Through our sustainable remanufacturing process, we provide cost-effective, reliable parts that meet OEM specifications. Our state-of-the-art facility in the Netherlands ensures that used starters, alternators, and diesel injectors are meticulously cleaned and inspected before being remanufactured. By renewing and reassembling worn-out components, we are reusing up to 90% of the original products, saving materials from landfills and reducing CO2. With DENSO's remanufacturing process, we're dedicated to create a greener and cleaner planet for all.